So the first thing that I want to have a look at is how to set the resolution of our game. Now we can do that in two ways. We can do that from the editor and we can also do it in script, and I'm going to show you both. Now what I have here in front of me is a completely blank project, and you can see that we just have a scene file here that I have open in front of me and some scripts and textures. Now if I select the camera object, you can see that there is a GUI script attached to it and a game manager script. Now if I press the play button on the toolbar, you will see that we get this character that is displayed at the center of the screen, and no matter which resolution I run the game, let's just go to the game tab, maximize the view and press space, this image will always be centered on the game view. But you can see up here from the free aspect drop down that we're currently running at any resolution we want. I can stretch and increase the size of this screen and this image will always be set to the center. But there are times in game development, particularly in 2D games, where you want to fix the resolution. Now we can do this from the editor, and I'll show you that first. The way we do this is we can click on File and choose Build Settings, or press Ctrl-Shift-B on the keyboard. This brings up the Build Settings dialog, and from there we can click on the Player Settings button. Or we can also access the same dialog if I just close Build Settings. We can also get there by choosing Edit and choosing Project Settings and then select Player. And in the Resolution and Presentation tab here, I can set the resolution of my game. Now by default I'm just going to set this to 640 by 480 and just leave it there by pressing enter on the keyboard. I'm going to disable the full screen mode so that it doesn't run in full screen, and I'm going to remove the checkbox from resizable window. I do not want the player to be able to resize the window. I want to fix it at 640 by 480. I can also open up the supported aspect ratios and begin to disable the unsupported ratios here, but I'm going to leave these as they are. So I'm just going to switch over to the game tab and change the free aspect to the standalone 640 by 480, and that will fix the resolution of the game here. So now when I press the play button on the toolbar, the resolution is always fixed at 640 by 480 at that aspect ratio. So I can see here in full screen mode I have the full 640 by 480 and this character centered at the center of the screen here. Now of course this is the way to set the resolution of the game from the Unity editor, but we can also set the resolution in script, and we can also change the resolution while the game is running. So I'm going to show you how to do that now in C#.